Welcome to this guide on sequences versus collections in Kotlin. Understanding when to use each can significantly impact your application's performance and memory efficiency. Let's explore the key differences and learn how to choose the right approach for your specific use case. Collections are data structures that hold multiple elements. They are eagerly evaluated, which means operations execute immediately when you call them. All elements are stored in memory at once, and whenever you perform an operation like filter or map, the result is a brand new collection created in memory. Here's a practical example. We create a list of numbers from 1 to 5. Then we filter for even numbers and map each to its square. Notice that each operation executes immediately. The filter operation creates an intermediate list containing 2 and 4. Then the map operation creates another list containing 4 and 16. Both intermediate and final collections occupy memory. Sequences take a different approach. They are lazily evaluated, meaning operations are deferred until actually needed. Elements are processed one at a time through the entire chain of operations. No intermediate collections are created, which saves memory. Evaluation is only triggered when you call a terminal operation like toList or count. Let's see sequences in action. We convert our list to a sequence using asSequence. Now, when we call filter and map, nothing happens yet. These operations are deferred. Only when we call toList, which is a terminal operation, does the actual computation begin. Each element flows through both filter and map before moving to the next element. No intermediate collections are created. Let's compare the performance characteristics. Collections create intermediate collections for each operation, leading to higher memory usage. However, they can be faster for small datasets because there's no overhead from lazy evaluation. Sequences, on the other hand, create no intermediate collections, resulting in much lower memory usage. They become faster when working with large datasets or long operation chains. Use collections when working with small datasets where memory isn't a concern. They're ideal when you need to access the collection multiple times, since the data is already computed and stored. Collections also work well when your operations are simple and few, or when the result needs to be stored in memory for later use. Choose sequences when processing large datasets where memory efficiency matters. They excel when chaining multiple operations together, as they avoid creating intermediate results. Sequences are perfect when you only need the first few results, like when using take or first. And they're essential when memory efficiency is critical to your application's performance. Understanding these differences helps you write more efficient Kotlin code.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.